Section 35. This law is about how the powers and duties of a judge or a magistrate can be carried out by their replacement or successor in office. If a judge or a magistrate leaves their job or is unable to perform their duties, their replacement can take over and exercise the same powers and duties. The law also says that if there is any doubt about who the replacement or successor is for an additional or assistant sessions judge, the sessions judge should make a written order to clarify who will be considered the replacement. Similarly, if there is any doubt about who the replacement or successor is for a magistrate, the chief judicial magistrate or the district magistrate should make a written order to clarify who will be considered the replacement. In simple words, this section is to ensure that the powers and duties of judges or magistrates can be exercised by their successors in office in case of absence or vacancy, and also to clarify the doubt of who is the successor in office in case of additional or assistant sessions judge. The sessions judge shall determine by order, and in case of magistrate, the chief judicial magistrate, or the district magistrate shall determine by order in writing.